Apple Pay Later is a pioneering payment service offered by Apple, fundamentally changing how transactions are conducted in the digital era through its smooth integration within the Apple Wallet application. Apple Pay Later seamlessly merges the convenience of Apple Pay with deferred payment options, providing users with a flexible and frictionless payment experience. In this video, we'll explore Apple Pay Later, diving into its features, functionality, benefits, security measures, and its potential impact on the digital payments landscape. Apple Pay Later is a digital payment service designed to streamline and enhance the purchasing experience for Apple users. It is built upon the very foundation of Apple Pay, Apple's extensively used contactless payment system. By utilizing Apple Pay Later, customers are able to complete purchases from participating retailers, whether online or at physical locations, and opt to postpone their payments across a period of time. The key feature of Apple Pay Later is the ability to defer payments instead of paying the full amount at the time of purchase. Users are given the flexibility to distribute the cost across a set time frame. This financial flexibility enables customers to manage their finances more effectively, empowering them to make larger purchases free from immediate financial burdens. It further provides users with a variety of payment plans to match their individual needs and preferences, all contingent on the specific terms and conditions established by Apple and its financial affiliates. Users have the flexibility to select from a range of different options, such as installment plans or monthly payments, which empowers them to tailor their payment schedules according to their specific financial capabilities and budgetary limitations. Setting up Apple Pay Later is a straightforward and simplified process. Users can conveniently link their existing credit or debit cards directly within the Apple Wallet app to gain access to the service. Apple Pay Later integrates seamlessly with other Apple services, such as Apple Pay and Apple Card. This creates a seamless user experience across different devices, making it easy to manage and track payments. Apple Pay Later streamlines the entire payment process, enabling users to complete transactions quickly and effortlessly, as it removes the need for manual payment information entry. Users can complete purchases with a mere touch or a quick glance, utilizing the trusted biometric authentication of Touch ID or Face ID. This significantly streamlines the checkout experience, particularly for recurring purchases made from participating merchants. This feature provides users with increased financial flexibility, allowing individuals to align their payments with their cash flow or other financial obligations. This ultimately leads to improved budgeting and more effective financial planning. This financial flexibility can also prove especially beneficial when managing substantial purchases or unforeseen expenditures. Apple Pay Later aims to make financial services more accessible to a wider audience by leveraging Apple's vast ecosystem and the popularity of its devices. The service broadens its reach to millions of users worldwide, encompassing individuals who might not possess a conventional credit card or those who favor alternative payment methods. This inclusivity enhances the accessibility and convenience of digital payments. Furthermore, it streamlines the payment process for users, especially when they are making purchases from merchants who participate. Users are able to complete their transactions quickly and securely, without the need to enter billing information or create new accounts for each individual retailer. This frictionless experience enhances user satisfaction and fosters the widespread adoption of digital payments. It also integrates seamlessly with the Apple Rewards program, enabling users to earn cashback, loyalty points, or additional incentives for using the service. By leveraging these rewards and offers, Apple Pay Later significantly enhances its value proposition, effectively motivating users to choose this payment option over other alternatives, and thereby fostering increased customer loyalty. Apple Pay also places a high priority on the security and privacy of user data, incorporating robust security measures such as encryption to safeguard sensitive payment information during transactions. This involves encrypting communications between the user's device, the merchant, and the payment network. This ensures that payment data remains encrypted and protected from unauthorized access. It also uses tokenization, a process that replaces your actual payment information with unique digital tokens. These unique tokens act as surrogate data, preventing sensitive payment details from being exposed during transactions and thus adding an extra layer of security. It also supports device authentication. Apple Pay Later utilizes biometric authentication methods such as Touch ID and Face ID to confirm user identity prior to processing any payment. This ensures that only authorized persons are able to initiate and approve transactions. It also upholds a strong commitment to user privacy, refraining from sharing transaction data with third parties for advertising purposes, thus safeguarding user information and ensuring confidentiality. It has the potential to reshape the digital payments landscape and influence consumer behavior in these ways. Upon entering your wallet, you will see the Apple Pay Later logo. Tapping on it will inform you that you have the option to divide your purchases into 4 interest-free payments spread over 6 weeks with absolutely no additional fees. This feature is accessible through the application or website when utilizing an iPhone or iPad, after which you can proceed to apply for it. This will not affect your credit score, but a soft credit inquiry will be conducted. You will be prompted for the desired spending amount, and upon approval, the payment option will appear. Apply now, and you will be taken to this screen. Here you will see the amount that will be paid by Apple, which is from $50 up to $1,000. Simply input the amount you intend to spend, and it will generate your personalized payment plan. For $100, it gives you a 6-week payment plan of $25 every 2 weeks. And for a $500 purchase, it will indicate that you are required to make a payment of $125 every 2 weeks. Next, you will be prompted to enter your personal details, including your first and last name, date of birth, and phone number. Your application will then undergo processing, and once approved, a confirmation email will be sent to you. When utilizing the website, you will encounter the option to either pay in full immediately or pay later. Here is an example of a purchase transaction detailing all the steps, concluding with the final step of inputting your credit card details. You also need to set up automatic payments so the funds are withdrawn from your card automatically every 2 weeks. Apple's elegant service? Apple's commitment to enhancing user experience and streamlining everyday transactions is evident. With deferred payment options, versatile payment plans, and seamless integration within the Apple Wallet app, Apple provides users with unmatched convenience and financial flexibility, all while prioritizing robust security and ensuring broad accessibility. And integrating rewards. Apple is indeed setting a new standard for digital payments, shaping consumer expectations, and potentially changing the way we transact in the digital age.